Hello and good day. Welcome to this Freeskins review. It's advertised as the fastest growing website where you can make money online, and it sounds really exciting, sounds really tempting. So is it really worth your while? And in this video I'm going to share with you my experience of personally using this website. I signed up to it and I'm going to show you what happened and what my experiences were like, so that you can see for yourself what the site is all about and you can decide whether it's going to be worth your time and your effort. So let's check it out. My name is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this video and to this channel, Passive Income for All. This channel is all about helping you to find the best possible ways to making money online. And I'm sure you might have experienced not all of these opportunities are created equal. Some of them are mediocre opportunities, some of them are total scams, and then you get the legit ways to making money online. And if you're looking to build yourself a passive income online, if you're looking to start a solid online business, then feel free to check out my #1 recommendation. Just click on the link below this video. And if it's your first time at this channel, a very warm welcome to you. Go ahead and subscribe so that you can be kept updated on what is happening within the world of online business. So let's talk now about Freeskins. Okay, so here we are at the official freeskins.com website, and this is what it looks like. Freeskins earn leaders and shop, and the fastest growing website to make money online from anywhere without PayPal. Withdraw PayPal cash, gift cards, Bitcoin, and skins instantly and for free since 2020. The average time until user makes the first cash out is 42 minutes. The average money that's earned is $24, and this is a total that's been earned. And then they talk about how you can get started, and then there's a frequently asked section, and over here is the live chat that's going on for some of the members. So I'm gonna go ahead and log into the members area and show you more about Freeskins. Alright, so before I hop into the members area, what exactly is Freeskins all about? It's simply a GPT site or get paid to do website. So in other words, they have simple tasks. You just complete a task and they'll reward you. And in this case with Freeskins, every task you complete, you earn points, and these points you can convert into cash. And with this cash, you can ask for withdrawals through various channels. So let's hop into the members area and see more on how it works and whether it was worth my while. Okay, so here we are in the members area, and this is what you are going to see once you sign up, if you choose to Freeskins. And this is the same part where it says start earning, and then here on top where it says earn, you just simply click there, and this is where you get the various offers which will allow you to complete, and in return you can earn points. So it just takes a while to download. And over here we have the live chat area. Someone is actually asking if this fake. Okay, interesting. So these are the featured offers, and then if you go down, these are the offer walls, and then if you go down, these are the surveys, right? And that's the three main areas or three main places where you can do tasks and get rewarded for completing it. So let's do the first one, which is featured offers. Let's do something from here. Okay, so the first thing is the featured offers. We're going to select this one here, and it says error loading. Click here to retry. Okay, so there's no service available on the first one. And let's go to the next one and see. Let's click on this one. Okay, here it says complete surveys for rewards. Earn bigger rewards faster from completing multiple surveys. Answer all the questions, score 100%, redeem your points, new users only. So let's start the offer. Okay, so this takes you to Theorem Reach, and Theorem Reach is basically a website that matches you with fun surveys. So basically this site is a screening survey site. So they first screen you. So you're not getting any offers right from the start. You'll have to go through the site and they will screen you. And I'll show you what I mean. If you have to click on get started and you just say continue, then you'll answer the age and so forth. You have to go through 8 pages for them to successfully screen you, and only then will you get tasks allocated to you. And let's do one last one and see what happens. Let's take this one here, Bingo Blitz. Okay, let's take this one, daily survey. Get rewarded for every survey, get coins for every survey you complete. You will receive your coins within 5 minutes. Start offer. The Lucid Marketplace, which is operated by Lucid Holdings, blah blah blah. Agree to the terms, conditions. Okay, let's go further down. This also looks like another screening survey site. If you say I agree, and then let's click on continue. Yeah. So can you see this one also takes you to another survey screening site. So you're not getting any offers or any paid surveys right from the start. Okay, so that was the first part, the featured offered parts, and as you can see, all 3 options directed you to a place where you have to first go and fill in all your information and answer screening surveys. So there's no guarantees or no jobs from the start like they so claim. Let's check out the next part. Okay, we already tackled featured offers. Let's go to offer walls and let's click on this one here. It's in media. Please allow us a few minutes to collect high paying surveys for you. View all high paying surveys. Okay, this looks a bit more promising. Let's see what comes up. Notification to earn rewards. Click here to open our offer wall in a new window and participate. So, well, before we do that, unlock our high paying surveys. Okay, can you see this is another screen survey just like the other section. I'm gonna go ahead and close this part. Let's do another one and see if it's gonna be the same thing. Let's take this one here, Revenue Universe. Okay, earn unlimited coins by taking surveys, earn bonus coins. Looks like this is a gateway where you can select other options. So to earn points, let's take this one here, 427 coins. Let's see what happens. Okay, very interesting. It seems to come to another screening survey site, just like the first one that we've done. So as you can see, both spots ended up in the same place. So now let's try the third option and let's see where does that get us. The third part is the surveys. Remember, we tried already the offer walls and we tried the featured offers. Now we're going to try the survey. So let's try this one, your CPX research. And my gut feeling is telling me it's going to be the same thing, but let's see if I'm right or wrong. Okay, that loads to a place here where you can choose surveys, and those got the amount of coins you can earn and how much time it will take you to complete the survey. Let's try this one here, the one that's for 9 minutes, 252 coins. Okay, so that also ends up into a screening survey. Okay, so maybe it was just my bad luck, but as you have seen, every point that I tried ended up into a spot where I had to answer screen surveys. And I know all too well that if you do these screen surveys, it monopolizes a lot of your time, and there's no guarantee you're actually going to get survey jobs at the end of the day. But now, can you really earn money with Freeskins? And this particular website does have a members live forum, as I've showed you, but in addition to it, they have a leaderboard section, and this is where apparently members have earned money. So let's take a look and see at how much money folks have earned using Freeskins. Okay, you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal Cash, gift cards, Bitcoin, and skins. But take a look at this, right? How much money can you really earn on Freeskins? And according to the owners, it is easily possible to earn more than $100 per month on Freeskins. Some users have even gone to the point of earning $1,000 plus each month. Alright. Then, coins are virtual currency of Freeskins, and they are used to represent your current balance on the site. 1,000 coins is equal to $1 US. Now take a look at the leaderboard. Alright, so if you in third place, you can win yourself 10,000 coins, which is $10. And these are the users who have earned this amount of points and this amount of prize money, 7,000 coins, which is about $7. Okay, so that's the earning potential if you decide to become a member of Freeskins. $1,000 per month. I have yet to see any of those testimonials on the official website. Does this mean that Freeskins is a scam? I don't think it's a scam. There are members who are interacting with the platform. As you can see from the live chat, folks are earning. However, there are things that I do not like about this particular platform. Let's first start off with the pros of Freeskins. Is that it's free to join. They have worldwide acceptance of members, and you can get paid through various channels. The cons, the first thing is that it got a very high payment threshold limit. So in other words, you have to earn like $5, which is make like 5,000 coins to request a payment withdrawal. They've got an extremely low earning potential, no guarantee of jobs. As you have seen, I had no luck with the surveys. It always ended up to one spot, which is the screening surveys. And the most important con is that it does not allow you to earn yourself a passive income online. You have to be active and you have to constantly be doing the jobs, and it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. And if time is important to you, and if it's important for you to make some serious money online, I do not think that Freeskins is the right opportunity for you. Which brings me to my number one recommendation. If you are looking at earning a passive income online or building a business with real income potential, then click on the link below this video and it will take you to the training platform that has helped me to build a passive income online. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will be happy to get back to you. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click so that we can meet in my next video. Thanks so much once again and wish you everything of the best in your online success. Take care and goodbye.